It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. So sorry you guys, I sound all stuffy. I have had a cold for 10 days now, and I always think I'm getting better, and then it gets worse, and then it gets better, and then I'm back at square one. It feels like I cannot breathe. I'm struggling to breathe at night, constantly blowing my nose. Overall, just feel kind of crummy, but I wanted to still put this video out for you guys because I love to film, and I didn't get to film a video last weekend because I felt so bad, but I'm gonna push through it today. And yay for flu season and cold season, although I do love the cold weather. Speaking of holidays, Jack loves Christmas, y'all, just FYI. Don't you, do you like when Santa sees you? You like when Santa comes to see you? Yeah? Santa gonna bring you toys? Okay, anyways, I'm getting distracted. How could you not with this cute little face? I am gonna show you guys my ridiculous Thanksgiving outfit collection. This will be another video of the series I have on my channel, the playlist called A Closer Look Into My Closet. And that is where I show you guys a closer look into my closet, and I go through like certain collections, certain seasons of clothing or themes or whatever you guys want to see. And I'm so sorry, I know you guys have been requesting like outfit videos, so here we go. This is an outfit video for you guys that have been patient. Thank you. And I have some ridiculous Thanksgiving outfits, and I can't wait to show y'all what I've made over the years. And you guys have probably seen most of these. Like, if you watch my videos long enough, you'll see all my outfits kind of repeat each other. But if you have any video requests, let me know. Drop your comment below. I can do my best, and it may take forever, but I will get to it, maybe, possibly. I'll see what I can do. So I think today I'm gonna have, it looks like 4 Thanksgiving outfits. So I want to be clear, I'm not gonna show y'all any shoes or anything. We're not gonna do shoes. I'm gonna do the outfit, and I'm gonna do hats, and that's pretty much it. You know, it's pretty basic, and the outfit is loud enough itself, so that will be all that you really need to see, I think. But anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling, and I'm gonna show you guys these outfits, and I'll talk a little bit about them, and then we'll be done. Okay, you guys, here is outfit number 1. This is about as ridiculous as it gets. So I'm gonna explain all this. First of all, this hat, I mean, oh my gosh, I just purchased this at a thrift store, and it was like $2. Look how awesome. I can't even like get all of it in the frame because it is so ginormous. But it's like Thanksgiving and Christmas together, and I love it. So it actually works. Let me see. Jack loves it, but it is so heavy because it has a battery pack in it or something that makes it work. Oh my goodness, I don't think I would actually like wear it. Like, if I did, it wouldn't be for very long. But I love the little Santa hats on it. I just think it's great. It might just be a Christmas hat, but I think it's Thanksgiving and Christmas. And then the shirt that I'm wearing, I actually made, I think last year. I did a video on it. I did a felt food Thanksgiving vegetarian plate. I am vegetarian. So I've got macaroni and mashed potatoes with butter, green peas, and bread with butter. All of this on here is actually like not hand sewn, but it's each little pea and macaroni is individually like sewn on here. So it took me a long time to do, but it was so worth it. I'm so glad I didn't glue it, because felt and fabric glue, they just don't go together So I had to figure something else out, and it worked out so good. And the plate, I did sew on here as well. And then at the top here, I've got some carrots and peas that I did glue on here. And it is a burgundy fleece color. I thought it was very Thanksgiving-ish looking. It's a little big because I've lost some weight since last year, so might have to take it in. And then the skirt, I just have an orange skirt that I paired with it. I think last year when I wore it for Thanksgiving, I wore a green skirt with it that matched the peas, but I just decided to do something different. So this is my first ridiculous Thanksgiving look. Okay, you guys, here is my Thanksgiving outfit number 2, and this one I actually just wore the other day. Look at this adorable Thanksgiving print dress. It has pockets. I actually found it at Goodwill for $7.99. Cannot believe it. I mean, it's like practically brand new, although I did have an issue with the thread down here. It's already coming loose, but I can fix that. It's very big and flowy, so it'll be a good eat till you're stuffed dress. It's a very good length too. It's very long. It comes like right at my knee. And then my hat is just an orange and navy beanie hat. I know it has the navy in it, which I would rather have a different color, but I do like this color orange. I found this beanie at Goodwill for $3.99, so this whole outfit was a little over $10. Not too bad. It's all Goodwill, all thrifted. So yeah, this is my look number 2. Okay, you guys, here is look number 3, and this is my pie dress and my pie hat. I found this hat on eBay, and I knew I had to have it for Thanksgiving. But the question is it pecan pie, pumpkin pie, or chocolate pie? Drop your comments below and let me know which one you think it is. I'm gonna go with pumpkin pie because it's got the whipped cream up here, but it is a little dark. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And look at this fabric, you guys. It's from Joann, and it has all these different pies on it. So fun. Hey, bud. It is a flannel print from Joann, and I made a little scarf to go with it, or a head wrap, either one. I just put a sequin belt right here to go around it. Cute little pumpkin pies and pecan pies and blueberry pies all over it. It's very long, very nice and flowy and comfortable. So yeah, this is look number 3. Okay, you guys, this is my last Thanksgiving outfit. This is look number 4. I am not wearing a hat. I ran out of Thanksgiving hats, so I don't have any more to show y'all. So this print has turkeys on it, pumpkins, grapes. I have had this dress for so long. I think I got the print at Hancock Fabrics, which is not even open anymore. But I do love this outfit, though. It's really ugly and fun. I've got a little shawl that I attached to this, and for some reason I added a giant bow in the back. I don't know why I did that, but I mean, I guess it makes the dress look even more unique. So I have a sequin belt paired with it, and my cute little Indian girl here on the front. Indian plush girl. She's so adorable for the pilgrims and the Indians. I wish I had a pilgrim hat. I could wear a pilgrim hat with this, but I don't have one. All right, you guys, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed these Thanksgiving outfits. Let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Enjoy good food and being with your family and friends. Whatever it may be, enjoy your day and try to relax if you can. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.